My name is Nzola De Magalhães. I'm currently a postdoc in the Department of Pathology here at UCSD. By attending the program, I think at least from my perspective, it helped me be more of a human. So I could take away all of that scientific jargon and able to explain my research as if we're talking about a telenovela or some type of a Twitter war. So we can explain that really well, right, without thinking. So why can't we do that with our research? I know that one of the major things that came out from the workshop was that I was an activist, but I would hide that activism from my research or my scientific work, where I could use that activism in my work, because there's a lot of there's a lot of obstacles that prevents people like myself from moving forward, or the type of work that we want to push forward. Unfortunately, it's not out there because we're trying to fit into the current exciting research that's going on. In being able to articulate my research, I was able to, in writing, articulate better and promote myself better in terms of trying to find grants. So just recently I was awarded the Ford Foundation Fellowship, which is awarded to the top 1% of minority scholars. So I'm very proud of that. I'm going to brag about it because I've tried before without success, but after attending the workshop, I was able to change the way I communicated about myself. I realized that I'm not the stereotypical, the conventional scientist, because many of us were interested in other things, like how are we connected to the earth, the environment, how are we connected as people. So instead of just engaging as scientists, we're able to bring in those other aspects as well. And one of the things that I think I've been suppressing a lot is that I also have a degree in humanities. So why do I only have to research and then publish about cancer research? Why not try to bring in my humanities background and also publish and discuss things that I think are relevant in terms of cancer research for the general population? I'm able to communicate to anybody about my research, so it's not just in the scientific community, but everybody as a whole.